Good day everyone, I am Harun Kita and I will be presenting the background of our topic, doing historical research in libraries and archives. Unahin natin ano ba talaga ang ibig sabihin ng historical research. Simply put, it's the process of studying the past using reliable sources. Hindi lang siya basta kwento na naririnig natin from other people, but it's a careful and systematic way of looking at documents, records, and books para makabuo tayo ng accurate na kasaysayan. Now, ano naman ang role ng libraries and archives? Hindi lang sila simpleng storage ng books or papers, they are treasure houses of knowledge. Libraries give us access to published work like books and journals, while archives keep original records such as letters, government, papers, and old manuscript. Kung wala lang mga ito, sobrang hirap gumawa ng reliable history kasi wala tayong solid na evidence to support our research. When it comes to sources, may dalawang klase, primary at secondary. Primary sources are the first-hand records of events. Ito yung mga documents, diaries, maps, photographs, or government papers na ginagawa mismo noong panahon ng event. For example, isang diary ng soldier noong panahon ng Philippine Revolution. Meanwhile, secondary sources are implementation or explanation written later on like history, books, journals, or articles that analyze what happened. Both are important. Primary gives us direct evidence, secondary gives us context and meaning. Pero since sobrang dami ng materials, minsan nakakalito kung saan magsimula. That's why may tinatawag tayong OPAC or Online Public Access Catalog para sa search engine ng library. If we type a very broad term like Philippine history, sobrang daming lalabas. Pero kapag specific tayo tulad ng Proclamation or Independence 1898, mas mabilis nating mahanap yung kailangan natin. OPAC saves time and help us be more organized in our research. Finally, the purpose of historical research in libraries and archives is not just about collecting information, and tunay na layunin nito ay makabuo ng accurate and reliable historical narratives. At habang ginagawa natin ito, natututo rin tayo ng patience, discipline, at lalo na yung critical thinking skills. These are important not just for us as a student, but also if we want to grow as responsible and reliable historian in the future.
Good day everyone, my name is Spider Montanier and I will be focusing on the different places here in the Philippines where we can actually find these important sources. The first one is the National Library of the Philippines, located in Ermita, Manila. Dito makikita ang napakahalagang koleksyon tulad ng Filipiniana, which are material written by Filipinos or about the Philippines. The Rizaliano collection, which contains works by and about Dr. Jose Rizal, and even rare books and manuscripts. These are very important primary and secondary sources for researchers. Next is the National Archives of the Philippines. This is where official government records are preserved, including documents from the Spanish colonial period. For example, meron silang notarial documents, census, records, court proceeding, and executive orders. These records are very useful for historians who want to study governance, society, and daily life in the past. We also have a university libraries, the University of the Philippines main library in the Diliman Ateneo de Manila University, and the University of Santo Tomas all have large collection of books. This is a dissertation, journals, and archival material. In fact, the UST Library is one of the oldest in Asian contains centuries-old collection. Bukod sa public and university libraries, meron din private libraries and church archives. For example, the Family History Center of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints hold valuable genealogical records, while the additional archives of Manila Preserves search document Paris records and hold baptismal or marriage registries that are very useful for family and local history. Even in local libraries and museums around the provinces, there are valuable primary sources waiting to be discovered. Kaya hindi lang limitado sa national institution ang sources. Kahit sa local communities, meron ding kayamanan ng historical materials. It's true that going research in libraries and archives can be challenging. Sometimes the documents are brandy, old or difficult to access, but the effort is worth it because these sources allow us to connect with the past directly. More importantly, it teaches us patience and critical thinking and the discipline needed to become responsible historians. In the end, researcher in libraries and archives is not just about gathering data. It's about appreciating our history, preserving our heritage, and understanding the journey of our nation.